I am with Bubba Beasly, and we're talking about soil and adding or not adding potassium. Do you have any opinions on that, Bubba?
I have some very strong opinions on that. My friend Lucy Morton and I have been working together for the past couple years on a research project funded by the Virginia Wine Board. The project is called The Role of Soil Mineralogy in Potassium Uptake by Wine Grapes. And the most important finding of our work is that even in soils with the lowest potassium levels, we see sufficient levels in the petioles, sufficient to excess levels in the petioles. So bottom line, do not add potassium. If you want to check out this slide really quick, this is from one of our research sites. So you can see this little map on the left shows soil variability. So we've got two different soil zones, the blue zone and then the green-yellow zone. Different soil properties. Note the subsoil potassium levels in the clay soil here. It's 75 ppm subsoil potassium. In the loamier soil here, 33 ppm potassium. The wine colors are significantly different. The pHs are significantly different. So that's really the deal, is excess potassium can elevate your pH of the fruit and the must and negatively affect wine quality. So we're trying to stop that.
Show the soil pedigree.
It all sort of began. Growers have been getting these reports for years. Let me find this slide.
That's important.
It's been called the potassium paradox, where you get a soil report. So A is topsoil, B is subsoil, and C is a deeper subsoil sample. The soil report will show very low potassium, but very high magnesium. And from the same spot in the vineyard, you'll look at your petioles, and it'll show high potassium and low magnesium. So, it's sort of these two reports contradicting each other. Everybody's scratching their heads about it. And turns out it has a lot to do with the mineralogy of the soil, the different kinds of clay minerals that are in the soil. Essentially, when you get a soil report back, it only is showing you a very small percentage of the potassium that's actually there. So, right. So, these potassium levels are grossly underestimated. The lab would recommend, based on corn and soybean research, they would recommend to add potassium, but we very strongly, with all the confidence that we have, can tell you, in that situation, please do not listen to them. There are very, very few situations when a vineyard in our region would actually need to add potassium.
Excellent. Thanks so much, man.
Yeah.
Really appreciate it.